Hello, I'm Kimlin. I'm the owner of Kimlin Energy Services. This is my dog, Abraham. We're here in Kingston, New York. Our new facility that we just put in. Got Abraham out here. He has nothing to do with propane, but he's a great dog, and I like to bring him out to different places like Lake. We're a propane company. We deliver propane, fuel oil, diesel, and gasoline throughout all of the Hudson Valley and even a larger area than that. We'd love to have you guys come along and be a customer of ours if you're not already. Give us a call or go onto our website, and we'd love to service you. So thank you so much.
That was a good one, Abraham, wasn't it?